front of me here is all the things that you'll need to use and operate the Terra Lana custom built cutting machine. It works on compressed air, so you'll need a small compressor, an air hose to connect the compressor to the tool, barcode cutting saw, these are fantastic, and a sharpener, and that just helps the blade stay sharp, and also just 4 or 5 screws, and that just secures the clamp to a wall frame, which I'll show you in a minute. Now the first thing we're going to do with the clamp is we're going to remove the guide. The guide is quite nifty, it doubles up as a handle, as well as it holds the upper section and the back section of the clamp together when not in use. So we rotate the pins 180 degrees, they do lock into place. We don't want them slipping off and recessing back into that gap there, because that is where the barcode saw is going to run. And if those pins are protruding into there, then we're going to dull the blade or wreck the blade very quickly. So simply rotate them, and then our guide slips apart, and those are the 2 sections of the clamp which we're now going to secure to a wall. We're going to secure the cutting clamp to a wall frame, and we're cutting down through this channel in between the upper section and the back section. The other thing is you don't want to be cutting down low here, so we're really going to want to clamp up nice and high. There's the valve for operating the clamp, so that's a nice height. So I've got Brad here holding the clamp in place, and it's just pretty simple. There's a number of recessed holes in the clamp, and I'm just going to have to pick up a couple of them and zap them quickly into place. Right, the second step is just fixing the guide to the clamp. I really want to get down the bottom end of the clamp here. You can see there's a stop. So there's my cutting surface up there, and I'm just going to butt join that up to the clamp. We've got the cutting clamp secured to the wall frame. We just rotate around the valve here. To operate the clamp, simply just open the valve and close the valve. So the guide here is obviously aggregated with the different measurements, and that is back to the center of the cutting channel. Setting up a piece of insulation, a piece of wall insulation to cut at 770 millimeters, which is for dwangs at 800 centers. Now that the insulation is securely in place, it's time to cut.